Welcome to our tutorial on how to mention someone in a WhatsApp group. In today's video, we'll show you the updated and easiest way to get someone's attention in your group chats. Whether you're trying to highlight important information or just want to make sure a specific person sees your message, mentioning is a great feature to use. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your WhatsApp app. Make sure you're on the latest version to access all the cool features. Once you're in, navigate to the group chat where you want to mention someone. It could be your family group, work team, or even that chat with your old school friends. Now here's where the magic happens. Tap on the message text field at the bottom of your screen. You know, that place where you usually type your messages, but instead of starting with your text, type the @ symbol. Yes, that's right, just the simple @ sign. As soon as you type @, WhatsApp will show you a list of all the group members. How convenient is that? Now scroll through the list and select the person you want to mention. You can do this by simply tapping on their name. If you're mentioning multiple people, just repeat this process for each person. After selecting the person or people you want to mention, go ahead and type your message as usual. You'll notice that the mentioned person's name appears highlighted in your text field. This means you're doing it right. Finally, when you're happy with your message, all that's left to do is tap that send button, and voila, your message is on its way, with the mentioned person's name highlighted in the group chat. Here's a cool thing to remember. When you mention someone, they'll receive a special notification, even if they've muted the group. So it's perfect for those important messages you really need them to see. And there you have it. Mentioning someone in a WhatsApp group is that simple. It's a great way to make your group chats more organized and ensure your messages reach the right person. Give it a try in your next group chat and see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.